Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Fola. If you are seeing me for the first time, this is an apology and live update video. So if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Fola. I usually film about skincare, lifestyle, and a little bit of this and that. My old subscribers, thank you very much for coming back. I apologize for the inconsistency. The past 6 to 8 weeks have been a little bit challenging, a little bit different. It's been a little bit of roller coaster, a little bit of a roller coaster for me. I'm going to let you guys know why I said so towards the end of this video. So this video might be a little bit long, but I do hope that you would be patient with me and watch it to the very end. It might get a little bit emotional as well. We are all humans. But before we get into the video, I want to sincerely appreciate everybody that reached out to me. Guys, I didn't know you guys liked me this much. I just thought I would just drop videos and a couple of you were engaged and you watch and we'll just go. But you guys have been checking up on me for like, are you okay? What? Some people sent me emails. Guys, dear Fola, I've not seen you. The love is overwhelming. Thank you very much. And yeah, a couple of you have even messaged me in the comment section saying that you can't find my social media, you can't find me on Instagram, you can't find me on Twitter. I did not run away. Okay, I did not run away. It's part of everything I said has been going on. Instagram kept disabling my pages, my Instagram, my business page, my personal page. I've lost, since the beginning of this year, I've lost 3 business pages and 2 personal pages. Okay, so right now there's a new Instagram page, there's a new Twitter page, and I'm going to let you guys know. You can just follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter with these links, and let's get right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is, I don't know if you guys have noticed, this is a different setup. I moved, I changed my accommodation. I was living in another place entirely, and sometime I think 3 months ago I moved into a new place, and to be honest, that has been the beginning of the inconsistency, because I'm still struggling to find the perfect background for the filming setup. I'm still trying to just get used to the environment, get familiar with the environment. My filming setup is now so different. I've not really had time and the resources to properly do my background, everything I would like to be behind me while I'm filming. It's just been different. Okay, it's been different. So moving from one place to another. I still live in Lagos, and but just leaving my comfort zone and moving into a different place entirely. This place is also very comfortable. It's also my comfort zone, but it's just different. So it's been taking me a little bit of time to adjust, and I'm hoping, I promise you guys, that henceforth I'm going to be as consistent as it gets. Okay. And another thing that has been going on is I got a job. I got a new job. Okay, so in case you've not been following, I was working a 9 to 5 at some point, but I left my job. I left my job around August last year, right? I needed to do some courses. I needed to put my business together and all of that. So now I feel like I'm at a place where that has been achieved, and so I got another job, but this time it's in a different setting. I got a job with a real estate firm, and it's been entirely new. Okay, I've never worked in the real estate industry before, and it's just I love it. Okay, I really love this job. It's been challenging. I like the fact that I get to meet people, I get to talk to different people every day. I like the fact that I always have to be on my toes, because there are properties that need to be sold. I really do like the job. So, but managing my job, and then me that used to have, like, I was running my business at least since August last year. I was running my business by myself, so I had a lot of time. I would wake up anytime I liked. I would film when I would just, okay, so from 9 a.m. to this one I would be filming, from this one to this one I'll be doing my business. So I'm having to wake up 6 a.m. going to work and coming back around 6 p.m. as well. It's not been easy, but yeah. So this is me saying that I also have a YouTube channel for my real estate. I'm going to link it in the description box. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. And if you live outside Nigeria, or even if you live within Nigeria and you need properties, you need land in very good locations, trust me, I cannot run away. You guys know I can't run away. I'll give you the very best. I will help hold your hands and walk you through this real estate journey, helping you make your real estate dream, come through helping you become a landlord or a landlady. So please reach out to me if you like us to talk real estate. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is real estate YouTube channel. I'll leave the link in the description box. So yeah, that is it. I got a new job. Another thing that I feel like you guys have to know about is that it's not recent, but I want to tell you guys what's going on in my life. I left a relationship. So if you guys notice, at some point there was a ring on this finger. I don't know, you can go through my videos, you would see. At some point there was a ring on this finger. I was engaged at some point, but we need to call it off because it wasn't working, right? It was just getting very toxic. I felt like we are two different people. I'm a good person by myself, he's a good person by himself, but we're not just, our combination is so, it's a disaster, guys. It's a disaster. So it didn't happen very recently though. It didn't happen very recently, but you know, moving through that phase, you know, moving through having a partner, you know, being engaged, even, you know, to be married, and you know, changing accommodation, changing jobs, everything just, you know, everything just happened almost at the same time. Not at the same time, this particular relationship thing, it happened, you know, before all of these other things. But yeah, I'm giving you guys my life update. So yeah, that's another thing that happened. And then I feel like amidst all of this, I've been feeling, if there's a word like that, unmotivated. Even for my skin, if you know, I don't know if you can tell, but I look a little bit darker. I've not really been taking care of myself, guys. I would make sure that morning and night I would, you know, I'll use my skincare products, have my bath, you know. I would not skip my scrubbing. I would scrub like 3 times in a week. I would take care of my skin painstakingly, pay attention to this part and this part. At some point I lost guard. You know, this is what I keep telling you guys on this channel, that there's nothing like perfection, right? There is no perfection anywhere, as long as there's progress. So at some point I kind of relapsed. I stopped taking care of my skin, not because I didn't like myself, not because I didn't want to take care of my skin, but I think I got carried away. I got carried away with the fact that, oh, my skin is fine. Even if I don't take care of it for a couple of, you know, months or weeks, it would just still be fine. But I promise to do better. I promise to do better. I will take better care of my skin, and that explains why I have not even really, you know, had the ginger to come and talk to you guys. Because if I'm telling you that you should take care of your skin, you should do this one, do that one, and I myself, I'm not even up to it. I'm not that motivated to, you know, wake up and scrub my skin and do all of that. That would make me a hypocrite, right? So that's why I've kind of let me take some few, you know, steps back and, you know, just work on this entire thing before coming to talk to you. Sitting in front of the camera, to be honest, is a little bit weird to me. So if this video looks strange, or if I'm acting weird, just forgive me. It's been close to 6 weeks or even more. Something that I would usually do like every day or two to, you know, 3-4 times in a week before. So yeah, right now my skincare routine did not change. I think it changed. Okay, so I changed 1 or 2 things in my skincare routine. I'm also going to tell you guys about that one, but I want to get to a stable point first before I even start talking about it. So yes, I'm going to come and talk to you guys about it very soon. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. At this point, if you are still watching this video, I want to believe that you are enjoying it. So please take a moment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, to this particular channel, and then the other channel I talked about, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So please subscribe to that one as well. You know, so moving forward, what I intend to do is that I'm going to be more intentional about myself. I'm going to try and make out time for my YouTube. This YouTube channel has a special place in my heart because I put in the effort. Before this channel grew up to this point, it's still a small channel, right? But I've really put in the effort. So I feel guilty neglecting it all the while. So moving forward, I intend to be intentional about my channel. I intend to film as much as possible. I intend to take better care of my skin. I intend to, you know, I intend to shed a little bit of weight. I want to lose weight. I currently weigh 14, 16. I'm trying to see if I can get to a 12. Maybe now that I'm telling you guys about it, maybe I'll be more serious so that you guys can hold me accountable. So yes, please hold me accountable. I want to lose a little bit of weight. just because I want to, not for anything. I just want to. I want to be more intentional about my skin. I want to be more intentional about you guys, because you guys are my best friends. I want to be more intentional about you. I want to give you content, and then I do feel like you guys don't know anything about me apart from just YouTube. I don't want to just be a YouTuber that talks to you guys about skincare. I want to be your friend. So if you have any question you want to ask me, or if there's anything you'd like to know about me, please feel free to ask me in the comment section, or follow me on my social media platforms. I'm going to leave them here, so you can ask me any questions of your choice. And then I'm going to read more books. I used to like reading a lot, but I kind of slacked. So moving forward, I want to read more books. If you also like me to share my books with you, the ones I've been reading and the ones I plan on reading, please just let me know in the comment section down below. I will also make a video about that. And yeah, so that is it. I do hope that you don't find this video so boring, and I want to sincerely appreciate you. That's the most important part of this video. I want you to know that I appreciate you so much. The fact that I've not even been posting and you guys have still been watching my content, I see your comments and I try as much as possible to reply, you know, as soon as I can. Sometimes some people say, Fala, I'm going to the shop right now, which one do you think I should buy? And I will reply you as soon as I see your comments. So I don't take the love for granted. I know there are a lot of people on this YouTube space that you guys can go and ask these questions, but you're choosing to ask me. And you know that I'm not even perfect. I don't know all of these things, but we are just learning together. I really do appreciate you guys, and I love you so much. You are not just a subscriber, you're my friend, you're my guy, you're my girl. Okay, that will be all for this video, guys. A video is coming up very soon. I don't know if I've told you guys, my channel got monetized around February. I got monetized around February, so I thought to take you through the process in case there's any YouTuber that is trying to get monetized. I guess one thing you would like to know or the other. I'm also going to post the video shortly after this one goes up, and you know, many more videos like that. So yes, thank you very much for sticking around, and I love you. Bye.